Hi, morning. Get ready with me to go to the Jamaica 60 parade. And fry some plantain. You already know the stove is extremely high and there's oil in the pot, as you can see, because I don't got time to stand here and simmer and fry the plantain because I'm in a rush and I gotta go. Okay. There's two things I'm thinking about wearing. These pants that I bought in Miami, right? Because it's gonna be a float. It's hot AF, so it's gonna wearing these pants. But it comes with like a jacket, but I figure it's like super formal and way too hot for the jacket. So I was thinking of pairing it with like a black bodysuit, but I feel like Jamaica's so strict. I'm not even sure if you could wear like, what do you call it, something you're sleeveless or no sleeve kind of thing on the float. So I was thinking of wearing like this and this, but I don't think that's really appropriate. So I have this though, but it's not really Jamaican. You get what I'm saying? It has a little yellow, which has a little gold in it. So I was thinking of wearing like these pants with this. I think it's gonna have to be this, even though it's not like super Jamaican. After making some phone calls, it was said that it was kind of okay to wear this, being that it's not like a super formal event. On the bottom, it's a crotch something there, something. So yeah, so here's the pants. Here are the pants. Yeah, it's still look a bit better, right? Yeah, a little fanny. Then I need like some sunscreen. Do my makeup real quick. Like light makeup because it's hot. All right, I'm back. I kind of did a little something with makeup. I'm gonna have shades on the whole time. I'm so tired. I think I'm gonna wear these big ass Fila's boots. Haven't worn them in a while, but they kind of match. So I'm gonna throw them on and then I'm ready to go. Let's see where now. Shoes are on. All right, for cologne, this one is called Janoon Satin. This one's nice. Somebody buy this, give me. Okay. You know, this one smells nice. I'm gonna put on more roll-on. Shout out to my hairless armpits. You know, Havendale Healthcare. You know, I'm doing laser treatment. Of course, you need a little sparkle, but I think I need gold. Hold on. That sparkle was silver, but you need gold because you know gold is the thing. This right here is Fenty Beauty cognac candy. Listen, when you put this on and the sun touch this, woo-wee, you're just gonna be glittering and shining. I'm in a rush. Everybody's downstairs waiting for me and this is what I'm doing. I'm tired. Jesus. Woo. I'm tired. I'm sweating already. Watch that. But anyways, this is a full fit kind of when I get outside. I'm gonna show you guys more. Oh shit, I'm a couple. All right, so here's the full fit. I'm not sure why it goes white in the back, but yeah, here's the full fit. Pretty much like a fit, but something light for the day. Jewelry, just a little earring. You know, this is it with like the shades and thing. Got my little Jamaica cup, and of course, a fan is a must because it's hot. It's hot, all right? By the way, the same way y'all can shake your ass at Carnival is the same way y'all can come out here and support Jamaica 60, okay? All right.
Everybody wanna